Yes.
I beg to mention item number 8.
8.
8. Lord, I have had to go in major surgery, so I want to take 2 weeks time to.
Therefore,
I'm for petition.
petitioner. Mr.
A. Thakur.
S.
A. Thakur.
A. Thakur, senior counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has gone and he has undergone surgery recently. Therefore, sometime may be granted to argue the matter. Sometime may be granted and list the matter granted, considering the submissions. The learned senior can let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. 4 weeks. But it's of 2016, sir.
My lord,
2016 matter.
2 weeks or something.
Make it 4 weeks, it's okay.
No.
If you have undergone surgery, health is above everything else. Okay.
Is your lordship, I beg to mention item number 6.
Yes.
Item may be kindly taken up after 2 weeks.
Why?
Because my senior is not feeling well.
It is 2014 matter.
He is not feeling well.
Who is your senior?
He does. I'm
Okay.
the petitioner.
He's not ready for inform me yesterday.
Okay. On the ground that Mr. A. Das Gupta, learned senior counsel, appearing for the petitioner, is not keeping well, MS so-and-so. B. Das, learned counsel, prays for listing of the matter after 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Mr. Prayer not being objected to by Mr. Arsalman, learned counsel for the respondent. Same is granted. The same is allowed. Accordingly, this matter after 4 weeks.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to withdraw item number 2. It's a prayer that the liberty may be granted to file a fresh because we need to make necessary parties.
Okay. Mr.
Arjeta.
Arjedas, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition with the liberty to file a fresh. Mr. N. Barua, Mr. N. Barua, learned counsel for the respondents is present. Prayer for withdrawal is accepted. According to writ petition stands disposed of on withdrawal with the liberty as prayed for.
Deeply obliged.
She brings for listing 6 similar matter, my lord.
What similar matter?
Matter pertains to non-payment of heirs, my lord.
Huh?
Non-payment of heirs charges.
This will come on its own turn. When was the last listed?
Last, this is on 5/11/24, my lord.
5/11. After 2 weeks.
Okay, my lord.
May it please the lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner herein is the owner of a coke coal, and the respondents herein have seized his coke coal business and have put for auction. By virtue of an interim order, that auction was stalled, my lord.
In
And,
respect of 207,
yes,
270,
yes,
not all.
not
Auction was for 700 something.
Yes, my lord. My was lot number 4.2. It was for seized coal number 1, Borgolai. That was stopped.
For in respect of 270,
Yes, my lord.
as claimed by you.
Yes, my lord.
What about the others?
My lord, I do not have any idea about the rest of the auction that went through or not. But my lord, today there was a development this morning that some unknown person has come with dumpers to pick up that coal. Now, my lord, I have 2 requests to make here. One, that the coal is lying parent on the plant and is highly like in this heat, it might catch fire and it would be of no use either to the authorities of me. Secondly, this person who has come to take the coal
Hmm.
with the dumpers is violating the interim order that was passed by this honorable court.
Hmm.
So, my lord, at this instance, they have not filed and come up with a reply yet. Or
No,
the
no,
instruction.
this file is, affidavit is filed.
My lord, I do not have a copy.
Affidavit is filed on behalf of respondent number 2. But then,
Two a second to 5 9. My lord, the authority that is going for auction, that is respondent number 5, that is a center authority that is by the Ministry of.
but your claim is only that you have taken you have an agreement with the patadars, landowners.
Yes, sir, that is there.
So where is your license to have this
My lord, I have given
mining license?
My lord,
You just cannot have an agreement. There's a procedure.
no, lordship. If my lords will be on
From where you have extracted this call.
I'll come to that, my lords. If my lord will be on page number 36, annexure 7,
Hmm.
page 36, my lords.
Yes.
My lord, in the enclosures, I've given all the documents that pertains to my license, the purchase of the coal, and
Xerox of
everything with the
lease deed,
authorities.
Xerox of DSC certificate.
Before
application-
considering any of my reply, they straight away went for the auction.
From you, where you have purchased?
My lord,
You have purchased this coal?
yes, my lord. The bills are also enclosed in this
No,
report.
no, it's okay. From where?
My lord, all the coals have been purchased from Northeastern Coalfields, Margareta. The
Hmm?
bills are from annexure 8 series, my lord. Page number 37 onwards.
No, you have,
My lord.
you said you have purchased and then are you extracting coal?
Yes, my lord.
If you have purchased, how can
I didn't get it.
you have purchased the coal
Yes,
or
yes,
you
my
are
lord. Yes,
extract?
we have purchased
You have
the-
purchased for extracting.
Yes, no, we have purchased the coal to turn into coke coal, and that
Huh.
is our business to sell it.
Huh.
Now, my lord, this all coals and sales orders is all legitimate and it's all there.
Hmm.
And we've supplied everything to the authorities. They have to consider it. Second, numberly, if they have seized my product, they have not given me a proper seizure list also with regard to that.
It's okay. See, you have, Gogo, you have filed on behalf of respondent district commissioner only.
Lawsuit.
What they have said is that they have seized it, it is found to be illegal. Huh. And it has been handed over to the senior,
In the disposal of the matter, we have directed the landowner to lawsuit maintain that particular position.
geologist. So you, I think,
It was done lawsuit as per the verification done by the lawsuit Call India Limited person.
this senior journalist and director is not supposed to file an affidavit or.
But this affidavit will suffer.
My lord, it
No,
is
I don't
required
find
because that
anything.
is
You
the
simply
auction
said
to
you have
authority.
you have seized it on the information and then handed over to the senior geologist. That's what you are saying.
Yes, my lord, and their reply also ought to be
Otherwise,
before
lawsuit,
docs today that
if required, I can lawsuit, my lord may give some time, I will file affidavit.
You file it, file on behalf of the respondent 4 and 5.
Lawsuit.
Who is this MSTC Limited? BSN Exchange Building.
my lord, that has been
It's a
striked off.
it's a private
That appeal, that
Struck off.
yes.
Okay. So you file on behalf of this also,
Lawsuit.
4 and 5, because they must, they will be the main party to know what exactly it is.
My lord, I was ready to give an indemnity bond with regard to the coal also, that if
Now, so far as violation and all this thing, you file an appropriate application, we'll see,
with
right?
regard to the providing of indemnity, my lords.
No. You said somebody has come to pick up
That has
the,
come today.
remove them.
Today morning that
You
development.
see, you take your own risk.
That cannot.
Or
be
Mr. So-and-so, the
Otherwise,
council
both
for this.
premises of seal loss.
Petitioner. Mr. Kego, Leonard, State Council submits that affidavit on behalf of respondent number 2. District Commissioner Tinsukia has already been filed. Mr. Next, on perusal of the, no, on consideration of the method. I find that this court finds that the affidavit of the respondent 4 and 5 would be required. Mr. Therefore, on the prayer of Mr. Kego and council, further 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit on behalf of respondent 4 and 5. Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Obliged.
My lord, here the last order may kindly be seen.
It's complied with.
No, not complaint, my lord.
Why?
Request to the District Commissioner Borkata, my lord.
You said last time, last occasion, towards processing, that the processing of the matter towards compliance of
Yes,
so is underway, would be released is due within 1 month.
We don't have the clearance from the District Commissioner Borkata, my lord. So
Hmm?
we're waiting, my lord. Lordship kindly peruse my instruction, my lord.
My lord, last 1 year, they are just floating with the court's order, my lord. So, so my lord, the order, last order was passed on 24/8/24.
No, 25/7, 2/10/25.
Under process, my lord.
No, last 1 month back you have said so.
Last
Yes.
1 month back, for the first time, the second time the matter was come, Lordship, then the revenue council says that when, as per the instruction of the district commissioner, the file was sent to the revenue.
Hmm.
That's why he says that under, in the process of the compliance, Lordship.
Hmm.
The purpose.
Hmm.
Otherwise, today, Lordship, my sister has come up with an instruction, Lordship. He said that it is there before, Lordship. Is sought for, Lordship, bills, Lordship. In respect of the vendors, Lordship.
My lord, the order was passed after hearing them on their affidavit, my lord. They have
No, what is
submitted-
that? The district request district commissioner for bills of all 22 vendors along with vendor details for to receive the relevant bills and account details. No, it's between you and the district commissioner.
That's why, Lordship, give some time, Lordship. Where I pray for some time. Today I have received the letter from the Lordship.
Then
Revenue.
why you have said that this will be released within 1 month?
Yes,
At that time, revenue council says that it will under
My lord.
process, Lordship.
sometimes the revenue will come, sometimes the DC will come,
This
my
is
lord. In
not the
this
idea,
way,
Lordship. This
in
is
this
not-
way, my lord, the
This is not
court
the idea,
order.
Lordship, but order
Anyway,
Court
anyway.
order
Violation,
is
Lordship.
floating.
Anyway,
Violation, Lordship,
you
order
want the
possible.
payment?
Yes, I want the
So
payment.
wait for some time.
Yes,
Let us have a
yes.
heard Mr. So and so,
Yes, sir.
counsel for the petition. Although
Yeah, I am.
although the learned counsel for the respondents on 25/07/2025 has submitted that the processing of the for compliance of the order, the process and the process to comply the order dated 05/08/2025 4 is underway, and accordingly the claim of the petitioner shall be released within 1 month from that day.
Yes.
Mr. However, today Mr. K. Gogoi,
See, by my sister.
Mr. P.R. Mahanto, learned MS P.R. Mahanto, learned counsel for the respondents, who is for 2,
I am for two, Lordship.
and Mr. So and so for 2, respondent number 2, by placing the communication dated 04/09/2025 from the Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam, Revenue and Disaster Management. Submits that
From both lines.
some bills are to be received. Some relevant bills and account details have to be received from the district commissioner, for which communication has already been, the communication and the reminder has already been sent to the concerned authority, the commission, concerned authority, list which is yet to be received. List of therefore submits that, and therefore have submitted that the sometime may be granted to comply with the order of this court. List of, considering that the process for compliance of order dated 05/08/2024 is underway. Further 3 weeks time is granted. 3 weeks
I mean, 2 weeks.
for
Otherwise, I pay for 4 weeks, Lossi. The bill have to submit it to the authority, then they have to Lossi send it for one Lossi.
4 weeks. Then 4 weeks. Let's see. Ultimately, you will have to. Otherwise, if you go by the proceedings, if we go by the proceedings, we may hold them liable. But then
That may be noted, man. No further time will be allowed, my lord. Otherwise,
okay.
again, they will come and. they
it's
will-
a contempt proceedings. We're just taking
It's not
a lenient view for the interest of the litigants.
Yeah.
Otherwise, 4 weeks, huh?
Pleasure, Lossi.
List after 4.
May I please, Your Lord?
Yes.
Well, what happened during pendency of this petition? Respondent number 4 expired.
Okay.
Then we have filed a petition for substitution.
Hmm.
That is, in this case, 2615.
Hmm.
Well, at this notice may be issued because they are the claimant. Originally, they are the, respondent number 4 was the claimant.
Okay.
My,
So at the hearing stage,
my lord, during pendency of this petition.
I
2615. 2615.
the notice, you will have to issue notice.
my lord. Otherwise, he will,
Heard Mr.
and Hawk,
Enco
and Hawk.
and counsel for the petitioner. By filing this application in IA, the applicant writ petitioner has sought for, the applicant's writ petitioner have sought for substitution of the legal heirs of public legal representative of the respondent number 4 in the connected WPC 2083 of 2014, who reportedly has expired when
1/8/2018, man.
during the pendency of the writ petition. On
1/8/2018.
1/8/2018. When did you file this application? 2025.
My lord, in 2015, I came to know.
Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
I think for number 1 and 2, madam.
Mr. M. Setia, Learned State Council, appears for respondent 1, 2 is present
I'm applying for 5 and 6.
and are present. So and so, huh? Are present, huh? Issue notice to respondent number 3,
3 and 4 and 4.
3, 4,
4A, 4B.
huh?
3 and 4A, 4B.
3,
Three.
3, 4, 3, 3,
4A and 4B.
4A and 4B. Huh? The page 3 and page 4. Huh? 3, 4A and 4B. List of returnable by 4 weeks. Then it counsel for the petitioners to take states for services. Huh? Corresponding number 3, 4A, 4B. Okay.
Item 7.
Meet is like.
Yes.
The arguing counsel, Dr. Sharaf is on legs. Can the matter be taken after some time, my lord?
After some time.
Obligation.
Lossi, that matter, we have also appeared for the Department of Industries Commerce, Lossi. Newly, Lossi, we are interested, even we have not received a file also.
What is there? Very, very simple, short matter.
Lord, then Lossi, we will go by the second file, Lossi.
Huh?
We'll take the second file, Lossi.
Let us see. You take the second file.
Lossi,
Let us see after some time. We have time. We have time today.
Lossi, Lossi.
We have enough time. Huh?
Obligation.
Item 9. Item 9. May it please your lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the time being. My
Why?
senior is on legs.
Who is your senior?
As that your lordship,
Hmm. Okay.
much obliged. Item 10 and 11.
Sahi, IA is for what?
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, matter may be pass over per day.
Why?
My senior is some problem, so.
What problem? What problem?
Lordship, he has come from Aizawl yesterday evening. He is not prepared.
Who is your senior?
SK met, CGC.
This is for vacation of interim order, 2020. We'll hear the main matter, give the main matter. Let us see.
Please, short date may be fixed.
What is the matter? What is the matter?
Matter is regarding.
Give the main file, item 11. This is IA. Which for the, you're for a petitioner? No, you're for respondent.
Respondent.
IA applicant.
In the IA.
Main file, let's see, what is the matter? Yogi Fora. R. Sharma, P. Deka. Well, dismissed. Well, dismiss the petition. Let them file a restoration petition. None appears for the petitioner on call. It's regarding tender, termination, rescinding of tender, filling of art filling, railway. Mr. So-and-so, KK Medi appears for respondents. All the respondents.
We have a SK met, CGC.
On behalf of SK Medi, CGC, yeah. A writ petition is stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Just wait. No, you raised before that, huh? Matter pertains to tender. Tender. Let's see. pertains to termination of tender regarding the work of earthwork in filling, FILL, filling to make guide bond BUND for protection of abutment at Jagi Gopa end and slope protection at Gauripur end with boulder launching apron, sources crate and other connected ancillary works. Over river Gadadhar dash Ramantu between proposed station Gauripur and Alamganj in connection with new Maya Nagari Jagi Gopa new BG line project of NF Railway. It appears that the petitioner is no longer interested in pursuing the matter, interested to pursue the matter. Accordingly, the petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Passport.
This is the last matter.
Scenery is on the way.
Huh? How many matters have been passed over? Huh?
Lordship, on last date, our party's argument is concluded, Lordship.
What to do? Yes, after some time. Please call your senior.
Lordship. Wait, Lordship.
Dismissed.
No, Lordship.
You file an application.
No, Lordship, kindly consider because we were ready for hearing today.
Huh.
We were ready for hearing, and if a next date be fixed, Lordship, he is also agreeing to it, Lordship. I was in legs in another court. I am alone, Lordship.
Why you are alone?
I do not have colleagues today, Lordship.
Delete that. 10 and 11. 10 and 11.
Then,
Let me fix it.
On the prayer of Mr. S.K. Mehdi.
I'm not listening.
He's the comment. The comment.
Otherwise, I was ready for hearing today, Lordship. But anyway, we can fix a date. I prepared the case today.
So,
Yes, my lord, and 18, my lord.
18.
18. On the prayer of
P.
learned consensus and Mr.
For respondent, my lord.
On the joint prayer of Mr.
Joint.
P. Deka.
Joint, my lord.
You have your junior has taken a time, in
Yes,
fact.
my lord. Yes,
And Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned CJC.
yes, my lord.
That this matter will listed on 18/09.
Highly obliged, Lordship. Highly obliged.
Hmm.
So I
So,
want to argue the matter, but my learned friend says that he has.
If it can be in the next week, Lordship. I'll please.
go ahead. Next week, this court may have a difficulty. No, I'm just saying.
Whenever I can.
Difficulty in the sense, next week there will be cases. It will be filed up. That's why I'm saying. Urgency is there. Next week.
No,
Next
16.
week.
Fine with me next week, next Monday also, if it is there.
Not Monday, I will pick it up on hearing day. But the matter, it will not take much.
Time, if you're asking me if someone to go something, it will not take much time.
Tuesday.
So,
Who is on your prayer? On your prayer.
Whenever I try to do the case melody, he runs away.
no.
He's a busy man.
In fact,
He's engrossed
He's a
with
justice.
all the, is a
Union of India, my lord.
Union of India. We'll have to understand.
I did not have a brief. I collected it from my senior.
Otherwise, you are a Union of India.
Wonderful.
We'll have to, I
Go
mean,
down, my lord.
we'll have to be careful.
Yes. We are very
Union
careful.
of India. Mr. On the prayer of Mr. Arkady Chaudhary, learned Deputy SGI, and prayer not being objected to by learned Senior Counsel Mr. Dr. Ashok Saraf, learned Counsel for the petitioner. List this matter on
Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday, 9/09/09/20.
At the top 16 matter, my lord.
Ah,
It is 2016 matter.
Will come on the top anyway.
And within 15 minutes, my lord, the argument.
I think it should not take,
Small matter.
it should not take much time
Very small matter.
unless,
No, nothing is there, my lord. 16.
Lordship cannot be very sure about it.
I can-
anyway,
I can assure you 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
I'm obliged.
May it please your lordship, kindly fix the matter after 2 weeks.
Why?
My senior hasn't come through now, your lordship.
Cannot afford to finish 11 o'clock. Okay, dismiss. What is the matter?
Your lordship, respondent number 2, he was an employee in in the petition.
Who is for the respondent?
Your lordship, Mr. LCD was appearing. Today, did not appear.
We have enough time today.
Yes, your lordship.
Are you appearing?
I mean.
Are you arguing the matter?
No, your lordship, my senior.
Who is your senior?
As the your lordship.
Why not?
What?
Yes, sir. Which is for respondent?
My lord, so far respondent is concerned, Mr. L.C. Day. Now, my lord, in the last occasion, your lordship will find, he, my lord, once upon a time when he was the presiding officer, he took evidence. Now, I just told him whether you would like to contest the case or you'll have to make some alternative arrangement. My lord, to me, my lord, it may come up for, my lord, professional misconduct and all that. So, my lord, I told him it's up to you. If you want to argue, you can argue. But so far, my lord, a clash of interest is not there. But then there is an element of whether he can, my lord, as an advocate, he can advance the argument. Because there is Mr. L.C. Day, your lordship will find in the record that he was the presiding officer. He took evidence of some of the witnesses.
He was the presiding officer.
Presiding officer.
No, it told me.
So therefore, I just casually told
No,
him,
what I wonder is it's only basically respondent number 2,
my lord,
workman,
yes, workman.
whether notice has been served or not.
Yes, yes. My lord, he was appearing on behalf of the workman,
Who, LC Day?
LCD.
He could not have.
I thought it's not proper also.
Wow. Where is, he should give a notice to him.
My lord, let him do one thing. I'll just have a talk. on him. Well, I haven't seen him. Otherwise, he is very regularly he appears. But today I did not find him.
Yes, I think he must have filed a caveat also. He's the one who has filed the caveat.
Yes, yes, he has.
No, it's not proper. Once he has taken he has taken the evidence.
Yeah, the record is there, my lord. I have seen. I was not knowing from earlier. On the last occasion, when I was going through the file, I mean record,
he was a presiding
I
officer.
found his name is there. Then I called him.
He was the presiding
Yes,
officer.
he was the presiding officer.
What's a blunder he did?
Then I called him. Should you appear further?
Yeah. Yes.
Doesn't look nice.
No, he is duty to, in that case, send a notice to the information to the respondent number 2.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise, it should be
I can do one thing. I can tell him.
we'll take it after some time. We'll record his name and he should send them this thing. We'll record
that
it.
can be done because
Otherwise, this workman will suffer.
Yes, he cannot go unrepresented.
Yeah. Can you just ask your junior to find him out?
Yes, yes. Okay. I'll just.
We'll take it after some time. These presiding judges, officers are
Yes.
appointed from the lawyers in the labor court.
He was earlier, my lord, in the judiciary.
Okay.
Yes.
So he retired.
He retired. He was
Okay.
the district judge. Then
Okay.
after his retirement, he took the charge of.
Kindly inform. We'll
Oh.
pass the order.
Mine.
Patan. That Patan.
Lordship, in this matter, Mr. S. Banik is appearing. He has concluded his argument here, Lordship. Today he's not feeling so well. So let the other side complete the argument. If necessary, he will reply within 1 or 2 days, Your Lordship.
Why is not feeling well? Where
He's
is
having some kind of pressure issue, Your Lordship.
he should have argued matter with kind of facets.
I just being informed, so he's not feeling well. See, he has asked me that he has concluded his argument. Let the other side conclude their argument. 1 or 2 days, he will reply if necessary, Your Lordship.
What reply?
If necessary.
Today. We'll finish it. Close the matter today. We'll close the matter today, sir. Yes,
I'm sorry, my lord, I was held up in the traffic.
it's okay, no.
Lordship, the matter is this, that the respondent is having a factory, lordship, manufacture rubber slot.
Hmm.
What is high power, tension line was, connection was taken.
Hmm.
And on 6/3/13, lordship, the vigilance team had visited the factory premises of the respondent, lordship, and at that time, the main partner of the respondent as well as the manager were not present.
Hmm.
The vigilance team, lordship, headed by the chief vigilance officer, inspected and prepared a report that your lordship will find at page 21, annexure 1.
Hmm. Report
Report, lordship,
21.
page 21.
Yes.
So at the time of, lordship, the checking of the motors and the other fittings, lordship.
Connected load found 607.805
Yes, according to them,
kilowatt.
according to them.
Ah.
Now, your lordship will be
But
pleased
connected load original is 425.
to 425.
Yes.
Lordship may come to page 22A, which is part of the inspection report, lordship.
Hmm.
Page 22A.
Yes.
Here, at the middle, your lordship will find
Hmm.
clause number 20,
Hmm.
a statement of consumer, he is representing, if any, the junior engineer of the respondent, he was present. He has written his objection. Load of kilowatt motor is not written on it. There is a typing mistake on it. Number 2, load is taken for unutilized motor, which was kept in as spare motors. Number 3, load is taken for both the motor of the MC, in which chargeover is fitted between the two motors. This was the objection from the side of the respondent, lordship. Lordship, whenever in a factory a panel board of the is established, lordship, and in case of the big factory, lordship, a panel board is prepared and which is to be vetted and approved by the senior inspector of electrical government of Assam. In the present case, lordship, when in 2011, the respondent had taken the connection, lordship, a map was prepared by the senior inspector of the electrical government of Assam, lordship, and that your lordship will find at page 5 in my appeal, because in the writ petition, it has not been annexed and there is no whisper. In the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent, your lordship will please to come to page 119. 119, lordship, which is the drawing of the panel board, lordship, showing the position of the metals and other the equipment, lordship. Here, in the annexure, lordship, the letters are very small. That's why I may be allowed to produce the original, which was duly vetted and approved by the. This is the pura full deal.
Is it required?
Yes, Lord. This is vital point to decide this. Because the stand of the APDCL is there.
Hmm.
Your lordship will find in everywhere in the circular, your honor, just like a human face, drawings are here. These are changeover switches. And even top on the left side, the lordship will see change, it is clearly written that changeover. So it's changeover switch. And every point on the right side of the top, also your lordship will see the changeover switches. Then your lordship may come to in the middle portion of the drawing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, changeover switches are there, lordship. And in the last drawing at the bottom, lordship will see that three numbers of 1, 2, 3 numbers of the changeover switches are fitted. And on the extreme right side bottom, as your lordship will see the found that it was approved by the senior electrical inspector, government of Assam law. But the pleaded case of the petitioner is this lordship, there was no changeover switches. There were no changeover switches, which falsified the averments made in the petition law. And this is the vital document to come to a conclusion by the Honorable Court lordship. That what happened?
Yes.
So, lordship, the function of the changeover switches this lordship, that on this one left side one motor is installed and the right side one motor is installed. And in between the two motors,
There is a changeover.
changeover, because suppose lordship one of the meter goes out of the order, then the changeover switch will be down and the work will be done by the other motor.
But admittedly, you have put in two motors.
Yeah.
There are two motors.
There are many motors, but
Mm.
between two motors there are changes over. Wherever there is two motors, there are change over switches losses. So, at the time of inspection, what the chief vigilance officer did, lordship,
Hmm.
he, first of all, he stated that there were no change over switches loss, which is absolutely incorrect. Then he said that if there was no changeover switches, he had calculated the load of all the motor. All the motor. Lordship, where there is a changeover switches, lordship, both motors cannot be run simultaneously.
When there is a changeover.
Yes, it is.
Where is that finding of the appellate authority?
Appellate authority, lordship.
Hmm.
Your lordship will please to come to page 75 of my affidavit. Sorry, read to us. Page 75. Lordship, relevant portion is page 81. Regarding changeover switches finding, your lordship will get at page 85.
This appellate authority, who is this appellate authority? He's an expert.
Yes, sir. One member is technical member,
Hmm.
is expert. This was a division. Wing.
No, this is single. Appellate authority, single,
Division. Two honorable.
where it is.
That your lordship will find that is. Lordship, I don't know.
Only one.
No, no. Yes. It appears lordship the single appellate. No, thank you.
That's all. That's all.
No, there are many other.
What many others? Please proceed.
Yes. Then lordship, the the lordship may be pleased to come to page 81.
Hmm.
The finding given by the learned appellate.
I've read it. I've read it.
Then your lordship may come to
85 also I've read.
page 82 lordship.
That also I've read.
There also the learned appellate court found stated that actually lordship the vigilance cell visited on a complaint lodged by one of the ex-employee Gokul Kalita,
Hmm.
and he has lodged the complaint lordship that the motors identification cards are not available. He never alleged that there was some tampering or anything else wrong.
No, complaint is not the matter. Matter is the findings. Inspection, how the inspection was made and what is the finding and the inspection.
Finding already.
Complaint hardly matters.
Lordship, the load was found excess as because the spare motors which were kept as standing.
Yes.
Lordship.
And why you have not taken a permission?
Permission was taken, Lordship. Yes,
Where,
Lordship.
where it is?
Yes,
You
yes.
Install it.
Whenever the high tension line is provided, Lordship, it is sanctioned.
No. So far as the initial connection is, it's not an issue. When you have that, when you have the change of the assets, I mean the machineries and other thing,
No, Lordship.
you are supposed to take in permission from the as per.
Lordship, the permission was taken. Lordship, will you please to come to
Please come.
page 118 of my affidavit in opposition. Page 118. Page 11, page 118, Lordship. This is the
5.3
agreement
regulation.
which was made between the respondent and the petitioner, Lordship.
Page
page 118.
118. Hmm.
This is the agreement, Lordship,
Agreement
executed
is-
between the respondent and the APDCL, that is the petitioner, Lordship. Here your Lordship will find consumer number, this and that, Lordship. Sanction load was 620 kilowatt, Lordship, and connected load was 425 kilowatt, Lordship. Contract agreement 70% in kV.
No, it's during the connection only. Initial connection.
Along with this agreement, Lordship, this drawing was also annexed.
No, where is the permission?
What permission, Lord?
Permission has to be taken and under 5.3 of the regulation.
Install any new motors or installation, any equipment, Lordship. Whatever there in 2011, we are having those only.
Are you
The
sure?
crux of the matter is that the Lordship here, already the learned appellate tribunal had held that the inspection committee, vigilance committee, connected load of both the motors which were in running condition and the standby motor. That's why he showed the connected load, total connected load of 620 kilowatt, Lordship. But when your Lordship is pleased to peruse on the inspection report, one of the employees, who is the junior engineer of the factory, Lordship, he gave his objection in written
Hmm.
that the spare motors load have been also calculated, Lordship. Already I have placed before Lordship. Again, your Lordship is pleased to peruse the annexure 1 is there, Lordship. Page, Lordship, 21. Page 21, relevant portion is page, Lordship, 22A of the petition. Clause number 20, a statement of the consumer. Load of kilowatt of motor is not written on it. Load is taken for unutilized motor, which was kept in as a spare motor.
Where it is?
Lordship, we come to the middle, clause number 20, a statement of the consumer. In the middle portion. Here, your Lordship, this is.
His
the doc-
representative, if any. Load of a motor is not written on act. Load is taken for untilled motor.
Unutilized. This is document filed by the petitioner. It will be
Kept in
unutilized.
load is taken for both the motor of the MC in which changeover is fitted.
Changeover is fitted between two motor.
Obviously, this is your representative.
My representative, but when their objection has been raised, that should be meted out. If the respondent has filed application repeatedly before the officer as well as the chairman APDCL, that wrong verification has been done by the inspection team. So it should be re-verified by
Yes.
expert,
Yes.
which was not done, Lordship, which
Hmm.
was not done.
Okay.
And then Lordship may come to the This will
be set up. This will be what? Looks at the regulation. 2007. Yes.
Lordship will be pleased to come to page 31.
Hmm.
Page 31 is the letter given by the petitioner, Lordship.
Hmm. $31.
Yes, sir. You see, Lordship, what notice was given. This is the notice dated 12/3/13, Lordship.
Hmm.
Given from area manager, Lordship.
Hmm.
Area manager. Here at the top, your Lordship will find involved in cases of malpractice must not be connected initial assessment bill. Here it is written that the compensation bill is served on you, which has been assessed on the basis of the clause number so of the Electrical Supply Code related matters, Regulation 2004, First Amendment. Evidence revealed that you were directly or indirectly involved in the act of the malpractice, Lordship. But malpractice, Lordship, it is not a case of malpractice because, Lordship, in male practice, lordship, it comes so many things, lordship, regarding theft and tampering with the meter. Here, it is not the pleaded case of the petitioner that I had tampered the meter, because in the inspection report, your lordship will find everything was okay. Only except they have shown the excess inspection report. Again, I like to place before your lordship, page 21. Page 21, your lordship, everything. Your lordship, in the meter nature of the ST line, meter number so and so in the middle portion of the page, lordship 21. Then capacity range is given, status of the cutout, okay. Status of the internal cover and seal, okay. A reading this much, capacitor change, it has been left blank. Sanction load 620 and the connected load was 425 and the connected load found 607 kilowatt losses. So the as per the calculation given by the vigilance officer lordship, 182 excess load was according to the vigilance team. And this happened only as because the standby motors which were not used, the both motors cannot be used simultaneously at a time. So due to this lordship, it has been shown the excess load of 182 kilowatt and the assessment bill was prepared. Your lordship, may please to come to page 22 of the writ petition. Here, your lordship, it is given the total connected load has been shown, lordship.
That we have seen already. That we have already seen. That we have already seen, you have already referred, and the council also, petitioner has also referred. We have seen it. Next.
Next is this lordship.
Factually, it's okay. You make your submission now.
On the previous day,
Maintainability you have raised.
yes, maintainability, because there is no resolution
Huh?
by the
That
board
we
of
have seen.
directors.
Next. You are on merit. So factually we have seen it.
Yes. Then lordship,
Make your submission.
yes. And on the previous day, I had also submitted before lordship the chief vigilance officer, who is the retired IAS officer lordship. He is not qualified to act as a chief vigilance officer because he was not executive engineer. And I have shown the place before your lordship, the notification upon which your lordship.
Which you have made a contrary and reverse statement.
On that day I committed that in that the respondent number 6 was the chief vigilance officer. That was a part of the memo appeal. So he was the respondent number 6. So that averment is correct. I have checked today. And in the present writ petition lordship, the chief vigilance officer is respondent number 2 lordship. Petitioner number 2, sorry. In the writ petition, chief vigilance officer is the petitioner number 2. But in the memo appeal, which was filed before the Honorable Appellate Tribunal, in that the chief vigilance officer was imprinted as a respondent number 6. That your lordship will please to peruse.
No, that's what I'm saying. Who is to be an executive, not below the rank of executive? It's a.
That is the government of Assam notification, lordship.
No, who has to be? It's a business officer or the area manager.
Area manager prepares only assessment bill.
Who has to be not below the rank of executive engineer?
The chief vigilance officer.
Okay. According to you. Assessing authority.
Yes.
Who is the assessing authority?
Assessing authority is the area manager.
That's what I'm saying. Where is that page? Paragraph.
Yes, page is.
That paragraph?
Lordship may be pleased to come to
161, page 161.
but before that, I'd like to place.
No, 161, please come first clear.
Yes, Lordship. Now,
First clear
in
it
that
first.
case, Lordship, I'd like to place the cost item.
161, page 161, para 6,
No, you
Roman
are-
6. It says, as per the
That-
notification of Government Assam, so and for acting as an assessing officer, he must not be below the rank of executive engineer. So who is the assessing authority?
Assessing authority is the area manager.
Then
Yeah.
area manager is not below the rank of executive engineer, not the vigilance officer.
No, Lordship, the vigilance, chief vigilance officer,
Sir,
Lordship.
kindly read the last two parts.
Lordship, before that, I would like to place page 148.
No, before that, after, will she go back to that? You kindly come to 160. Let us,
Mere perusal, this is the grounds in the memo appeal. For that, on mere perusal of the inspection report dated so and so, it is transferred clearly that the assessment bill of the LS connected load has been prepared and determined by the respondent number 6. By the respondent number 6. Here the respondent number 6 is the chief vigilance officer, Lordship, in the memo appeal. And then your Lordship.
and not having technical expertise
And
of
the
election,
notification
further,
of
he
the
is not
government
the authorized
account.
person to make an assessment power supply.
And this has been not denied by the petition.
Just wait.
This
And
has
as
not
per
been
the
denied.
so and so, and for acting as an assessing officer,
Yes.
here, who is the assessing officer?
Assessing authority is always area manager in case of industrial.
So,
Industrial.
so according to you, this assessing assessment has not been made by the area manager.
Assessment has been made by the area.
Then, in that case, who is the assessing officer?
Lordship, my submission is the vigilance officer who.
Sir, I would like to know who is the assessing officer according to
Area
you?
man-
Who has done the assessment here?
Assessment has been done by the area man.
Then,
My submission is the vigilance team headed by the chief vigilance officer. He had no requisite qualification.
so he is the assessing officer in your case.
No, he is not there.
Then,
Assessing authority is area manager.
so therefore it says for acting as an assessing officer, he must not be below the rank of executive engineer. So who is the assessing authority officer in your case?
Lordship.
Is
in
a
this
chief
case,
vigilance officer or
it
the
is the-
area manager?
Assessing authority is the area manager. I have
Who has done the assessment in this case, in your case?
area manager.
Then,
Lordship, please come to page 148. Lord. Here the area manager is the respondent number 5. In the
it's
memo
also all
appeal.
right. Your statement is saying that that's why I'm asking. The assessing officer has to be not below the rank of executive engineer.
Vigilance of chief vigilance officer.
No, that's why you read this.
Before that, I humbly request your Lordship to come to page 148.
148 I've seen. It
Here
doesn't,
is-
numbers doesn't make a difference.
Maybe-
I'll go by your instruction notification. And for acting as an assessing officer,
The statement of the alleged connected load has been prepared and determined by the respondent number 6. Respondent number 6. is
I'm
the-
not concerned about the number. Forget this. Vigilance officer is a IPS officer. Is he acted as an assessing officer?
No,
Then
area manager.
you see, you read further.
That means-
Mr. Banning, am I correct or am I wrong? If he's saying that as per the notification, assessing officer has to be not below the rank of executive engineer, so I'm asking if the chief
But the-
business officer is the IPS officer,
Only mistake
is he an assessing officer? If not,
is not. He is not.
if
Why?
not, your submission is
I have to
falls
check.
flat.
My senior
It-
colleague
it
had
ought
on the
to
other
be
day
in the-
accepted that it was wrong.
Hmm.
His submissions are wrong. It was
Para
already accepted.
162
It's a
law.
reiteration of that.
The turn will come. Why will it come?
No, I've asked him
Oh, sorry.
because I'm not clear.
No, Lordship, here in para Roman 6, Lordship, page 1, it ought to have been respondent number 5.
Forget
instead
it.
of that,
Let it be. Let it be.
Yeah.
Respondent number 5, 6, 7. I have understood up to that. What I have not understood is, see, forget about numbers, respondents. Let us say the IPS officer, retired IPS officer. He has acted as a civil the vigilance officer, right? Has he acted as an assessing officer?
No,
Then you please read here. And for acting as an assessing officer, last four lines.
it ought to have been lordship respondent number 6, not 5, not 6.
Arey sir, usko forget it that. Who is respondent 6 and 7? Let us come to call it by name. Vigilance officer, chief vigilance officer, he who is retired IPS officer, has he acted as an assessing officer? Then please come read here, not this last four lines. And for acting as an assessing officer, he must not be below the rank of executive engineer. So in this case, in your case, who has acted as an assessing officer?
Area man.
So
Only
the retired IPS officer, irrespective of respondent number 4 or 6, he has not acted as an assessing officer.
correct.
One could understand if you say that the retired IPS officer has acted as an assessing officer, then your submission may be, can
So
be
there is a typography.
understood.
Right, there is a typography.
No,
Ought
no.
to have been. Now,
According to this notification, who has to be not below the rank of executive engineer? Assessing officer,
no,
business officer.
vigilance, chief vigilance.
Chief business officer should not be below the rank of executive engineer. Then let us see this notification. Where is this notification?
Notification were annexed lordship, but at present I am not having. It was annexed in the memo along with the memo appeal. The record has.
So it says that notification. It says that the business officer has to be not below the rank of executive engineer. That is what you are trying to say. Let us see this notification 29/11/24.
Lordship, I could not get from my client. But it was the memo appeal.
But we'll go by your then the statement only. If you have not produced that, if you don't have the notification.
No, it was produced before the appellate authority.
It's all right. I just wanted to know. We're no longer in the appellate authority. We're in the writ
Yes.
court.
Apart from that, lordship.
No, just clear this because this is one of your ground. We'll have to determine.
No, in the lordship, the writ petition as well as in the.
If you are not pressing this, we'll not consider. If you are pressing this ground,
No, I am not.
you are not pressing. Thank you. But I would like to know who is the assessing.
No, assessing of there is no doubt, lordship, because all the assessment bills were prepared by the area manager, who is the assessing authority.
That is correct. So the area manager, there is no ground.
Correct.
Therefore, your submission falls flat.
Now, your lordship, on the previous day I had submitted, lordship, that in the from before 2009, lordship,
Yes.
when a transformer is fitted, lordship, there are 2 meters are fitted, lordship. One with the transformer in the over the poles, and other is fitted in the premises of the consumer. And those meters are digital meters, lordship. And if digital meters, lordship, if there will be access load, the digital meters show the access load, lordship. And I am coming to that also, lordship.
That was not the basis for assessment. Is not it? That was not the basis for assessment.
That is consumption.
Lordship,
Consumption.
bills
Consumption.
bills are prepared on the reading of both the meters are taken. Meter in the premises of the consumer and meter which is fitted with the transformer load. Then the bills are prepared. And all bills are showing that the respondent was having the digital meter. Your lordship will please to come to the bills which is submitted by the petitioner's lordship.
Okay.
Page 33, Lordship, of the writ petition. Page 33 onwards, Lord. Of the writ petition, annexure 5.
Sir, in this space, don't mind, sir. In this space, it will take 2 months to complete the hearing.
Lordship, but we can,
30?
page 33,
Yes.
and these are the bills which have been annexed by the writ petitioner, Lord.
It-
On the top, in the MD.
Excess load, so and so, huh? What do you want to show from here?
Sorry, ma'am, I committed me. Your Lordship, may you please to take up my affidavit.
Sir, let us do one thing. Although we have time today, all right, for the convenience of this court, let us be very frank. Can you submit a written synopsis, 2 page, at best 2 page, so that your submission can be recorded? That will be better, Manik.
From my senior colleagues, I don't know.
What?
Do I need to?
Go to
Good.
3 to 4 pages.
Anyways, in substance of what I submitted, Milord,
Hmm.
I would not even elaborate one word here and there. Connected load would mean the total load of the whatever fittings are there.
Hmm.
Connected load at the time of the initial phase when the consumption of the electricity is given is recorded 425. Detected load is when inspection comes in. We have a raise. The law says if you want to raise, put us to notice. And if you don't put to notice, it's a malpractice within that. Now, on the facts of the case, APDCL has given a chart of what items are found, not disputed. But the way computed is disputed, meaning thereby it is not absent, it is present. In substance, that is what I'm trying to say. When the additional things are there,
Motors and other assets are there.
they are not disputing that, it's there. And they dispute the computation. This part, the appellate authority, who was not in ocular vision of things, ought not to have calculated to an extent, arithmetic extent, of the saying that you subtract this and add this and then come to this figure. No, we are on a very substance of it. The initial, if things are there, meaning thereby there is an increase. Of course, it is below the sanction load. Now, why we need to be strict with it? We are with electricity. If we are not strict with electricity,
So what is the basis of your this calculation?
Basis of calculation is given in page 33. The technical thing that once detected, how we find out what should be the charge. Now we do on ocular verification and physical verification.
What he's saying is that although there was a machinery, motors there, additional, whatever is there. No, first one is shown this chart, no?
My lordship.
The page something, page 119, saying that already these motors and assets were already there, machineries were already there.
Yes.
Now, in between 2 motors, every 2 motors, there were changeover.
And those were not found. Even if there is a changeover, what I'm trying to say, changeover is one is in use, the other is in not. I put in a very simpler version. Suppose I have 5 kilowatts at my residence, of which conveniently I can have 2 ACs, but I want to bring in the 3rd AC. And I say that, sir, when I use only 2. I don't use the 3rd one. But the law says once you fit it up,
whether you use it or not,
that's immaterial.
Regulation, I mean,
That's a
clause
regulation.
5.3.
So I would have been impressed by them if they have taken up the argument, no, it was not even there. Once it is there, invariably you have to put the authorities to notice.
But today he has said,
my lordship,
already everything was there at the time when the connection was there.
No, then it would have been higher than 425. 425 takes into calculation on the things there at the initiation. On detection, it's found higher. So malpractice can be regulated. Whatever has wrong has happened, that's all. There's an admitted case, my lord. That's all we are saying.
Yeah.
Obliged, lordship. Then
So the additional assets or motors, whatever,
most,
which you have paid is amount to, I mean, violation of the thing.
that much.
It's a malpractice, therefore is bound to have raised the, I
That's
mean,
it.
bill.
And luckily it's below the sanction load.
Hmm,
Otherwise, a lot of things could have happened.
hmm,
The extent of the petitioner is the lordship, there were no change over.
hmm. Anyway, you just give me a synopsis. The submission is very simple. He is not supposed to give that. It's okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
I'll go by your submission and whatever is there in the petition, I'll do it. I kindly have you, I would like to have your, I mean, written submission. Synopsis. Point, bullet point.
Lordship may come to page 130.
It's okay. You give it to me. Let me determine. It's okay. That way will not be able to, that way will not be able to finish the matter.
Then I would like to.
I'll have to examine and write the judgment and dispose of the matter also. Is not it?
Then your lordship, maybe please.
Sir, should we need to dispose of the matter? Obviously.
Submit the written.
It's better. I'll examine whatever you have placed some judgment, one judgment also on what is this maintainability,
Maintainability.
which I which I
2011.
primarily found is not applicable and it's not anyway. We'll
Even
consider.
otherwise, an appellate authority's order.
That question does not arise. My humbly I submit lordship, a company functions through the board of directors.
Hmm.
And
There's no resolution.
Yeah,
There's
board
no
of
resolution.
a resolution, whether it
But
is-
so far as
whether it is civil suit or a writ petition.
whether so far as order 18 rule 1 is concerned, it will not apply to the writ petition.
Examination of
Resolution you may have some point on that. We'll examine that. You give that. All right.
Grateful man.
You just dictate her to whatever points you would like to raise. I have heard you.
No, I would like to submit
What is there?
Supreme Court decisions and the decision of the other.
So, give us. One you have submitted yesterday.
No, one is that is the only board of directors review.
Hmm. How many judgment?
There are few lordship and notifications from there
Few.
are some notification.
Few. What notification?
Lordship.
What notification?
Notification regarding what will happen in case of the digital meter, how the assessment bill can be prepared, all these things are there. Lordship. And one order is lordship dated 8/10/18 law. 8/10/18. This was issued by Assam Electricity Commission law. The relevant para is 9 law.
This is by whom?
This
Assam
is issued by
Electricity
Assam
Commission.
Electricity Regulatory Commission.
What is for this is for what?
This is lordship may become to please to para 9. Page,
Sir, for what on what point you are relying this?
this is regarding the digital matters and some other things. Para 9 lordship.
Why not concern digital?
Lordship, it is the
Are you
regulatory
concerned?
authority, the
Are we concerned?
Yes,
Are you concerned in this matter? How?
because lordship already I have submitted that our meters are digital meters lordship. If there will be any excess load beyond sanction load lordship, then the digital meter will show. Lordship. That is the vital.
Are you disputing that the way they have assessed the bill, the following that procedure, page 21?
Yes.
Page 21. Are you disputing that? It
Yes.
ought not to have been the way.
Because
What is the way out? This is for what?
Lordship will please to.
This is by
allow
whom?
to please-
By whom, sir?
This is by the Electricity Regulatory Commission.
So what? Is it binding on us?
This is actually the part of which was incorporated in the regulations of the APDCL lordship.
So what? It's already regulatory, the regulation is already been framed.
Yes.
So,
Your lordship will please.
No, I'm just asking. My anxiety is why you are relying this. For what purpose?
Lordship will please to allow me to place this para.
That's why I'm asking you, place it for what purpose?
Regarding the above provisions of the regulation of the commission observe that the following, the fixed charge component of the tariff is to be recovered from the consumer on the basis of the contracted demand of the consumer. Then lordship C, where in case of consumer equipped with MD means my lordship digital meter, the licensee shall compare the MD reading with contract demand, and if load exceeds the contracted demand, then the penalty at three times the normal tariff should be levied as per the provisions of the schedule of the tariff. Then D.
Are we dealing with the contract demand and the billing
No,
demand?
no.
That's why I'm saying it's not no relevance. It's about contract the demand and the billing demand, sir.
Lordship may be pleased to come to the case last page 4, which deals with that that if the consumer is not equipped with MDI meter, that is digital meter, then provisions of clause 7.4.2 of the AERC Electricity Supply Code shall apply. So in our case, lordship, the digital meters are fitted both in the transformer in our premises, lordship. So that clearly shows if there is any excess load is used, lordship, the digital meter show it. It was the law before when the digital meters were not provided, then it was calculated physically, lordship, or by the echo test. There is a echo test meter, lordship, for the test of the what is the horsepower of a particular meter or kilowatt, lordship, by that. But after the coming into force of the installation of the digital meter, lordship, it will show the actual connected load, the excess load, everything is shown, lord.
Mr. Roy, it's very, very interesting and aware, and I'm enlightened. And in fact, rather personally, I would like to go into all this thing, technical thing and all this regulation, had it been relevant to the case, determination of the case. So my problem, the problem of this code is the things which you are relying, trying to submit has no relevancy, therefore we cannot consider. Personally, I would like to, it's very interesting. What is contract billing and what is demand billing? Contract demand and billing demand. These are something which you are not, we'll see in the appropriate cases. We'll consider all these cases in appropriate cases. I'm not averse to learn, but then we have to learn in the appropriate case. By tomorrow, Friday. Not, I'm not going to have your this voluminous written argument. I have heard you just give the bullet points.
On Monday, I'll.
It's not possible. You dictate in the evening 2 pages at the best. Rest I'll see you from your affidavit and your statements. All right. Problem is, sir, I don't believe in hearing, hours, days, months together. It depends on case to case. This is very simple. I'm not saying that your submission I have rejected. I'm yet to determine. I'll apply my mind, we'll see. But
Okay,
need to have a certain, time, isn't it? I'm just suggesting. What do you say?
I'll submit.
Would you like to continue your argument?
No, there are some points, if your lordship will allow me.
You give me those points in your written argument. All right. by tomorrow, so that I can finish them in the weekend. We'll close the matter.
I leave it to your lordship.
We'll close it. Not happy?
No, no. Lordship may close it, but lordship, maybe it may be recorded that the respondent will submit the written argument.
Yes,
or-
yes, definitely, definitely. Heard Mr. S. Banik, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. S.P. Roy, learned counsel for the respondent. Hearing concluded. Order to follow. List of Mr. S.P. Roy, learned counsel for the respondent is permitted to submit a written submission by tomorrow.
Right.
By say 5th of September 0509. Will not list the matter. All right.
Of course.
Will not list the matter. You just kindly submit it.
Okay, I will submit it before.
But morning, 10 o'clock, 10:30.
Right, ma'am.
I'm facing a problem. One more. One senior lawyer, he has not he submitted. He is submitted. Okay. Mr. Banik, we have appointed one case, one matter as an amicus
I do not know.
yesterday. Yesterday, you just inform him. There's a one matter, one petition in person.
My lord.
So many petitions. I have suggested, I've given him so many, tried to, Prakash Kumar Bhattacharya. So I suggested him, I've given him a time to reflect himself, and he's basically a businessman, challenging all those tender matters and then tenders and all. And he is filing one after another, the IA, alleging criminal, all things, breach of trust and all those things. I have suggested him enough time. At least twice or twice, I try to make him understand that you approach, you file an FIR, you file whatever you want to file. If you are alleging in criminal criminality and all that, there's a way out. But he refused to. He said, your lordship may dismiss the writ petition. I find it little, thing, because I can dismiss. Yesterday I thought I'll dismiss. I started dictating, but I thought, no, it doesn't look. It's a petitioner in person. So it may give a wrong signal. Nobody will say that just because lawyers are nice. So I asked him that we'll engage a amicus. And I was appointing somebody because it doesn't come to my mind. So I asked him, any lawyer you would like to, as a amicus. So he gave your name. So we have directed.
The copies of the.
They have voluminous.
I'll do it.
So many. We have directed him to, because it's his choice to share the papers with you.
He would.
The petitioner. So you have the phone mobile number.
But only my name may be reflected in the cause list.
You call him up to share, to take the orders, yesterday's orders. So we'll have to finish that matter.
Actually.
Hmm.
I'll do it. Only that he gives me in time. With my name being reflected in the cause list.
And there was one matter, he filed an writ appeal. Writ appeal, I think it was dismissed. And he was telling us that he is on Supreme Court also.
If the matters are given, I do not know the next day.
You have conference with him.
Yes, I'll
Take some time to have a conference. Yeah.
get it done.
Okay. Okay, sir. Tomorrow if you submit, let me see. Thank you.
In that matter, my learned.
Yes.
has come.
You put it here. Sir, it appears that it doesn't look, proper. It's not proper. And now you just cannot, you'll have to, since you have filed a caveat on his behalf, will not pass any order, will just direct you to issue notice informing him that you may engage some other lawyer. But certainly you should not appear. Because once you are the presiding officer, for some time.
What is some particular?
Yes, but in this case only.
I forgotten my.
Yes, it happens, it happens. So I'm not making any comment on this. Will not make any observation in. We'll just direct you to issue notice to the respondent, apprising him that your inability to appear in the matter, so that he can engage some other, lawyer.
Yes, I have written, this may kindly be recorded.
Yes. No, we'll record it. Heard Mr. S.
Yes,
Datta,
my lord.
learned senior counsel,
Sir, it's.
learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. So and so, learned counsel for them. He's your son?
Yes.
Okay. It's a privilege. Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan.
I have two sons there.
Okay, good.
Hello, Mr. He is insisting
Ah.
and I instruct him to contact this. Respondent number.
So whatever, I'll record your name. It is noticed that Mr. L.C. Day
LC
has appeared by filing a caveat on behalf of the respondent number. Respondent, only sole respondent.
No, respondent two.
Respondent number 2. However, records reveal that it would not be appropriate for Mr. L.C. Day, learned counsel, to represent the respondent number 2. Accordingly, is directed to issue notice to the respondent number 4, informing his inability to represent the respondent number 2, and so that the respondent number 2 can may engage some other lawyer of his own choice. List the matter after. No, list the matter after 3 weeks. You'll make it 3 weeks. Kindly ensure it doesn't look nice for you. We understand that you might have forgotten.
It happens.
It happens. It's all right.
Not.